हेलो एवरीवन। आज मैं ख़रीद के लाया हूँ DJI OSMO ACTION 5 Pro। ये बहुत ही हाई क्वालिटी कैमरा है और ये हमारी प्राइस रेंज में भी है।
नहीं है प्राइस रेंज।
बिल्कुल है।
बिल्कुल नहीं है, डबल द प्राइस।
एक्चुअली मैंने सारे वीडियोस ऑफ कंपैरिजन वीडियो ये सब देखे और ये डिटरमिन किया
सब कुछ देख लिया और
कि ये बेटर है GoPro से और बाकी सब चीज़ों से। वेरी क्विक, एफिशिएंट, हाईली स्मॉल, हाईली कंसाइज्ड, वेरी हाईली स्मॉल बोल रहा हूँ, वेरी हाईली कंसाइज्ड इन कॉम्पैक्ट, all of those words which I want to define in closed spaces, small spaces, and very efficient in closed spaces, no small spaces. So it is actually a footballing term. You need to be very efficient in tight spaces. Yeah, that's called box efficiency in football. I think that's Martin Odegaard. Yes, you know, if a real football fan would know what I mean by that. You need to have that level of dribble inside you to perform highly efficiently in tight spaces. Thank you very much. Okay, we're back. So this is the best thing which money can buy at this price point, which is 550 AUD. I don't, and that's it. I wanted to buy a nice sexy camera which is so compact, concise, all of those good words. Yes, and very good battery life at this price point, and that's it. I asked a question to myself how much I want to spend. I have never spent money on camera. My wife has, and she never takes pictures. She left her camera back in India, so we don't have the access and facilities of a high quality camera. So coming back to the topic now, I bought this camera. Look, the box itself is in my hand, in the palm of my hand. Look, I can hold that easily. So I don't know what is about to unfold. Let's dive deep into it. My wife, oh, I can't wait for you always. Yeah, I started without you. I'm gonna continue without you. If you want to jump in, or else don't worry. All right, so this is the camera which I'm talking about, darling. Grab a seat. Can you not be annoying? So
मेरा phone है.
Okay, have a seat now. All right. Yes. All right. I'm about to unbox it.
नहीं ना, अभी क्यों कर रहे हो? मैं करूँ.
No, you got butterfingers, darling. Now you're looking cute. Yeah. Alright. So, okay, I'll show you. I'll sell it to you. Okay. So this is DJI OSMO ACTION Pro standard combo bundle standard, and revolutionary imaging performance with an all new 1/1.3 sensor. I don't know what that is, but that is very good. That's number one attribute of this camera. Also, we will tell you guys what happens after you buy a nice camera and then you discover the specifications and use them to your benefit, and then you can explain a bit better. Right now I'm speaking as a noob who doesn't know anything about technology, and but yeah, we have that, and we'll see how it goes.
ये कितनी अच्छी वीडियो बन रही है. मैं अपने आईफोन से बना रही हूँ. देखो कितना अच्छा क्लियर इसका व्यू है.
But this is a camera in your hand which you can capture, and you can compromise in certain positions where you cannot your phone, and it has a micro SD card.
ये भी नहीं compromise कर सकते. ये भी
Wait, do you want me to move forward or not?
क्योंकि ये
can
भी
we do a domestic call police later? Yeah. So sorry, we got in a bit of an altercation, and now we're back. We need to nails. I got my nails done. by my wife.
तोड़ मत देना, इतनी तेज खोल दो.
Okay. That's now DJI OSMO ACTION 5 Pro.
देख लो.
Okay, have a look.
Nice packaging.
Nice packaging. Approved by my wife, who is a designer and an artist. So her opinion counts on packaging and yeah, display overall. Okay, so I can see based on this picture, number one is the deep sea diving, then another is ice skiing. Sorry, skiing is on snow. Okay, and then camping, basically.
जल्दी खोलो.
Let's see what's inside. There's the camera. Hold that. Let's.
इसे छीनो मत मुझसे. ये तो मेरे को लग रहा है इसमें.
No. It's like if you can't understand how to use it.
Oh, ये कितना cute है. This is how it looks.
And we have some accessories, in which I'm assuming one of them is a battery.
This is the power button, and I think this is
battery, charger,
this is the charging port,
and I think it's a instruction manual.
Very small. It doesn't feel like plastic or like.
Yeah, it's light in weight.
Feel is very good.
So when I try to compare this
It doesn't
with
feel cheap.
any other camera,
Like
it
it's
was
not cheap, but it doesn't feel cheap either.
so it's it came out on top and weighing.
मैं तब तक कुछ नहीं कर रही जब तक मुझे exactly नहीं पता है कैसे खुलेगा.
अच्छा, तो मैं बताऊँ. Yeah, try करता हूँ. It is also under user experience. How can I use it? Okay.
I think this is not to open. This is to stand. वो stand पे fit होने के लिए
Oh,
जो
yes.
tripod होता है. ये charging
This is the
battery.
okay. Hold that. Stuff which is accessories.
हमें ऐसे खोल के ना ऐसे टेबल पे ऐसे सजा के दिखाना चाहिए था, जो उसके हम बाद में एडिट करके था. तुम दिख ही नहीं रहे, उसमें आधा सर कट गया तुम्हारा.
Okay, so there is the battery. So this is almost 2000 mAh battery. It lasts for 4 hours, recording at 4K. So pretty excited with that. And then it's a mount.
Very quite nice feel actually.
It's a mount.
ये लगेगा. Oh.
That magnetic.
Yes.
We'll use this as well, so to get the more grip.
एक second, I'm checking.
Okay.
So you can fix it and then you can tighten it. Quite nice. It doesn't feel it has a very good feel in my hands. So.
And it's not that heavy. And it's can your phone do that?
Nice. What
it's doing? Can you fit that in your head like that?
इसमें लिखा है tighten the lenses protective cover before taking in water.
Okay, so this is the protective case cover. Do you want to put that in? But it's just saying when in water.
So let's just put it right.
पहले दिखाओ तो.
मैं हाथ से छीनना मतलब.
दिखाओ.
छीनो नहीं.
चलो. और मत करो.
ये इस पे जाएगा ऐसे. अब इसको हम लगा देंगे. अब इसमें हम ये लगा देंगे. मेरे को बस वो ऐसे रिपेल हो रहा है, ऐसे अटैच हो रहा है. वेरी कूल, वेरी कूल.
Okay, so this is our camera. I really like it. Do you like it?
Yes, I love it. Very nice feel,
Okay.
user friendly, very good.
We'll come back to this video and share our more thoughts about how it was. And this cost me what, $550, and we're gonna make 550 videos of this at least. And that's when I would be able to say that I justified the value of this camera.
So then is when you're gonna open a YouTube channel, or you're just gonna open a YouTube channel today?
I'm just gonna
your
start
first
uploading or do whatever. I'm gonna play with it, do whatever I like with it. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna use this and make videos. This is very high quality camera for high quality videos, and people use it to make skiing videos,
You need a
mountain biking. You can do so much stuff. You can race in it. You can actually just put right next to your tire and like basically see gravel coming in a slow-mo. So you like that. You can drop it.
And is the lens and everything?
So I haven't paid anything else but a standard combo. We have to buy aftermarket connections and accessories so that I can enhance its functionality by holding it or whatever, however we want to use it. But the most important is the camera. We can upgrade on accessories as we go.
Yes.
And that's what we're looking forward to now. And I'm pretty pleased with this product at the moment. But more to come after I assess it and push it to limits. And then
Good luck.
yeah, we'll reflect on it and give our opinions again. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, let's go.